Wow! Beautiful! This is now their grand entrance. This is the 60th birthday celebration of our Julius Cesar and Lourdes Tocades.
Sino nakakaalam? Come on, please come forward. Everybody! Am I that easy to forget? Am I that easy to forget? Kaya niyo po bang kantahin? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Am I that easy to forget?
Nako, ikaw nakasagot pero mukhang favorite song ni Ma'am Kapadpan yun. But anyway, congratulations! Everybody! Come on!
Delilah.
I saw the light on the night when I passed by the window. I saw the flickering. As one! Wala po ito! Bye! Bye! Why? Why? Oh! Oh! Ano siya? Tatlo talaga kayong, o apat talaga kayong sasagot, ha? Isa lang naman ang kailangan ko. Ma'am, halika dito, ma'am. Say! Tumataas ng kamay! Title of the song. Celos. Tayang-taya. Naunahan ka na naman, nagtutupi ka pa kasi ng damit eh. Ito ka, ma'am. Magdadayang-dayang tayo. Ganyan ang suot mo. Ang ganda, oh. Eh.
Buli, buli!
Bule! Bule! Correct!